It looks like NFTs are taking a run at the event ticketing industry with the help of Get Protocol, having issued nearly 1 million on-chain event tickets since 2016. So what's the big deal with NFTs and event ticketing? Well, NFTs have a lot of different use cases, not just art, not just in-game items, but I've been doing a lot of research into the application of access tokens. And what they are is an NFT that gives you access to a real-life experience. I think that access tokens are a really cool way to apply NFT technology because NFTs can be digitally verifiable, verifiably unique, and uniquely awesome. I came across an article about Get Protocol, which has recently joined Market Square, and I was like, hey, I know them. So all the better reason to talk about them right now. This article that I came across from beincrypto.com reports that Get Protocol has recently onboarded a major Dutch player in the ticketing industry, and it's called YourTicketProvider. As part of the integration, the article describes an idea called digital twin, where at the time of the issuing of the original ticket, a digital copy is made in the form of an NFT. So while the original ticket exists and is part of the traditional system of the company that's getting onboarded, the digital NFT that's a part of Get Protocol running on Polygon allows for digital benefits for the ticket holder in terms of secondary markets, as well as being a collectible item for the event, and whatever other cool things that the event promoters want to attach to that digital asset. In fact, according to the CEO of YourTicketProvider, NFTs could even be used to pre-fund events or sell exclusive digital merchandise. Now, to me, it doesn't come as any surprise that a large ticketing industry player is embracing the power of blockchain. I mean, we all know if you're in the ticketing industry, you're aware that there's big problems with scalpers, big problems with ticket counterfeiting, and these two issues can be easily solved with Get Protocol. You can watch a video about Get Protocol on our video channel if you want to learn more, and until then, follow, like, subscribe, and bye.